Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make mini pizzas at home. It's so simple. These pizzas were so delicious. I love them so much. They are so simple to make and it's a perfect snack for kids and even for the family. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly consider doing so. And for those that continue to support my channel, I thank you very much and let's get into the video. So in a mixing bowl, add 1 tablespoon sugar, a half cup lukewarm water, and 1 tablespoon yeast. Then give that a good mix until sugar dissolves completely. And once that is done, cover the bowl with something and then let it rest for 10 minutes so that the yeast can proof. 10 minutes later, you can see the way it looks like. It looks milky, means that it's ready and active and ready for the next step. So add 1 cup all-purpose flour, a pinch of salt, but it's completely optional, and then add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Then give that a mix. The idea is to make soft dough for the mini pizzas. And after kneading for some time, transfer to a working surface, pour 1 tablespoon of cooking oil and then continue kneading the dough for another 10 to 15 minutes. And the dough is looking very nice after kneading, so soft. So transfer to the bowl that you are mixing in, but before adding the dough, make sure that the bowl has been oiled, and then cover that and let it rest for 1 hour. An hour later, and the dough is well risen, doubled in size. Punch the dough to get rid of any air bubbles, and then roll it out into a big circle. And then after that, using a cookie cutter, cut into small round shapes like that, small mini pizzas. And then transfer to the prepared baking pan. And then poke the dough with a fork so that it doesn't fluff up when baking. Make sure that all the balls, all the mini pizzas are poked with a fork like that, and then apply some oil on the mini pizzas. And then after that, bake for 3 minutes at 180 degrees. We'll be using mozzarella cheese, and just grate it like that, ready to use. And then to make the pizza sauce, I'm going to make instant sauce, so I added ketchup, and then I'll be adding oregano spice, garam masala, and cumin spice. Don't limit yourself to the spices. You can add more or less depending on your taste and what you prefer, how you prefer the sauce to taste. So mix everything together, and that is the sauce that we'll be using. After 3 minutes, take the dough out of the oven and then start spreading the sauce on each of them. And the good thing about homemade pizza is that you can play around with your toppings. You can add whatever toppings you like. So I used cheese and ground beef, but you can use whatever toppings you like. I assure you it will still be great, and whatever you have at hand. Next, I'm going in with the beef. And then after adding the meat, then I go in with more cheese to bind the ingredients together. And they are ready to bake for 15 minutes at 180 degrees again. And after all the cheese is melted and after everything is ready, that is how the pizzas are going to look like. They were super delicious. I assure you it's worth a try. And that brings us to the end of this recipe, guys. Like you can see, it is so simple. You can even bake them without an oven. And thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for your continued support. If you haven't subscribed, consider doing so, and I hope to see you guys on my next video.